Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video I will be showing you all of my clothing items which I purchased during this lockdown. So firstly I would like to tell you I have a couple of Shein clothes. Now I know Shein is banned in India, but since I got it, this ban and all came like a few days back. I really had no clue. I was thinking of filming this video and I wanted to show you these clothes, and so I'm including my Shein clothes in this haul. I'm really sorry you won't be able to buy these clothes anymore. So yeah, if you don't mind watching, then you can watch. Otherwise you can skip the Shein part and you can continue watching the rest. So a few are from Shein, a few from Myntra, and one dress from Amazon. So that is about it. With that, let's get started. So firstly I will show you all the Shein clothes and then I'll move on to Myntra and Amazon. In this type of packaging the Shein clothing items came in. So I really like how they pack their clothing items, or any item basically, in this single Ziploc bags. It is really safe, it is really good, and it's easy to store also. So yeah, I am really bad at describing clothes, so please excuse if I won't be able to explain so much, because I will be obviously inserting a picture. So this is the first top from Shein. This is quite transparent. You can always wear a slip inside, and the frill, the sleeves of this top is really nice. It's kind of elastic, and this retro kind of sleeves, puffy sleeves. I really like it, with a V-neck. So it's a very beautiful top. You can wear it with jeans or palazzos. You can always tuck it in and wear it. I got this in their sale time, so it was for around 400 something. It is very good in quality, and I am in this size extra small. So yeah, this is the first top. The second one is a basic t-shirt, but with a floral print on it, a blue and yellow flowers floral print, and also the sleeves are a little different. Some zigzag pattern on the sleeve, and they're this short sleeve pattern and a round neck t-shirt. It's a crop top, so yeah, it looked really good on white jeans or even skirts. So yeah, this is the second thing, and this is how it looks. So the third top from Shein is again the one similar to the blue t-shirt, I'll say, but this time it's a crop top, and it has this knit kind of material, and the sleeves are exactly same, but the neck is different. It's a little higher and like this, so it'll be close to the neck. So yeah, and it's a beautiful crop top. They fit really nicely on the body, so that is why I love these tees. And you can carry them really easily. They're so comfortable, and plus you can pair them with so many things, like you can wear a skirt, a jeans, a palazzo, anything below, and they'll just make a really nice outfit. The fourth top is this one. The color is really pretty. I love such beautiful dusty pink, dusty violet kind of shades. They look really nice on the skin. They just merge into the skin color, and they just complement your body really nicely. So yeah, the sleeves are again different. It is this net kind of pattern, and neck is V-neck, and it's a nice cap sleeves kind of a pattern of this top, and it's a very nice top. Now let's move on to the Myntra shopping. Myntra is one such website where you'll get amazing clothes, and footwear also, so do check it out. So this is the first top I got from Myntra. It's a nice crop top with off shoulder top basically. So the hands are like this, it's away from your chest area. So this is not that usual kind of top which comes like this and when you move your hands like this it will go up. So it's not like that. The sleeves are placed outside, so they are going to be on your arms really nicely. They're going to fit on your arms really nicely. So that is the best part about this top, and I really like it. It's crop and it's white in color. It looks very pretty, so do check this out. Now the next top is this one I specifically got for work because it's a very nice formal, but the sleeve pattern is different and it has all buttons, kind of a shirt pattern with no collar, and the sleeves are also nice, double folded kind of pattern is there here on the sleeve. It fits on my shoulders really nicely. You will see in the picture how it looks. So yeah, this is the next one. This is again a top which is very close to my heart. As I told you, I really love such colors because they merge into your skin really nicely and they look very, very beautiful. So this is how this top looks. It has this peplum sleeve, and from below also it's the same thing. And the best part about this is I'll show you how it looks. So it looks like this. So I've just pulled this rope like this, and this is how it will look then. So how you're supposed to wear it. So the next one is from the brand called Veni Vidi Vinci. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is how it looks. It's a nice crop top, a yellow crop top, sleeveless, and the only pattern which it has is on the bust area. So this is how it looks. It's very beautiful. It fits really nicely. This particular part looks really good on the body, and it's sleeveless. This is how it looks from behind, and this is the front part. So yeah, nice tiny top. You can pair it up with a high waist jeans or a nice short skirt. It looks really nice. So I got a pair of heels from Myntra, and it is from the brand Anok. These are the heels. They are really beautiful. I got them specifically to wear on Indian clothes. I love the color of these heels and the pattern on them. They're very simple yet very elegant and very beautiful, and the heel height is also not that big. They're really comfortable. I can walk very nicely. My feet don't hurt, and I got them for I don't remember. I got them on discount, and I am in the size 36. The last one from Myntra is this skirt. It's a beautiful skirt, plaited kind of full length skirt. Like, to me it is a full length skirt. People who will be little taller than me, it will be kind of 3/4. My height is 5'2", so yeah, I'm going to cut it and make it a little short, but the quality is very, very good. This area, especially the waist area, it fits on the waist really nicely, and I'm in the size extra small. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a very nice long skirt. From Amazon I got one dress. Nowadays, like after I got married, I'm really obsessed with clothes which with kurtis which come with sets. So kurti palazzo, kurti straight pants, I love such sets because it's very convenient. I don't have to search any other legging or something to wear below the kurtis, so I always search for such sets, and this is one of that. on Amazon I saw this and I immediately got it because I got it on a great discount. I got it for 600 or something, and it is from the brand Idealia. It's a very good brand, and this is how the dress is. Excuse for the whole crumble thing. I didn't iron it, I just got it, and since it's lying in my wardrobe, because obviously I didn't have any occasion to wear it since we all are in lockdown. So this is how the kurti looks. Best pattern is it's a straight kurti with a little higher cut, and it has a knot here on both the sides, so like this, and the cut is quite higher, so it's above your waist. And yeah, this is how it is, and the hands are till this much, so they aren't 3/4 or full or even small, they are till here, so till your elbow they'll reach, and they look really nice. And rest the kurti is plain. The material is cotton, and yeah, it looks very beautiful. And the pants are not palazzo pants, but yeah, the straight pants, and again the same color, same design, everything is same. I got them at a really good deal, that is why I love this set. Also, this top is from Shein. It's a beautiful crop top, really like it. The color is very fresh, very minty green kind of shade, looks really nice. If you would like to see more such clothing hauls, do mention in the comment section. I would love to make more such videos. So yeah, that was it for my today's video. Please like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.